Hello and welcome to the Bull and Bear Invest channel. Today is Friday the 26th of March 2021 and this is our. In today's video we will be covering the latest updates from Argo Blockchain, Greatland Gold, Oriole Resources and Tertiary Minerals. Be sure to leave a comment below containing the ticker code of the company of interest to you, and we will do our very best to cover any updates in future on our watchlist reviews. We open today with some exciting news issued by Argo Blockchain, as they announced this morning that they have signed a Memorandum of Understanding with DMG Blockchain Solutions, a blockchain and cryptocurrency technology company, as they plan to launch the first Bitcoin mining pool powered exclusively by clean energy. Argo and DMG will jointly launch TerraPool and will initially consist of both Argo and DMG's hash rate, which is mostly generated by hydroelectric resources. The mining pool will provide a platform for cryptocurrency miners to produce Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in a sustainable way. Here's a brief summary of what upcoming events Argo Blockchain has to offer. Firstly, we expect the delivery of the Epic Blockchain Technologies ASIC mining rigs expected to begin in early Q4 of 2021 with accelerated delivery volumes in 2022. Whilst we also await further details regarding the construction of the new facility on newly acquired land measuring 320 acres in Texas. This will provide Argo with some of the lowest electricity rates in the world, and the majority of which is generated from renewable sources. We also anticipate a follow-up RNS to be expected to verify further details of the first Bitcoin mining pool that is powered exclusively by clean energy. On top of that, we also have the March operational update, which is due on or near the 5th of April 2008. Moving on to Greatland Gold, a popular company within 2020 and has been a sleeping giant during 2021 thus far. Recent Twitter activity from Gervais Heddle, the former CEO of Greatland Gold plc, states that a lot of news is expected over the next month. Meanwhile, Sean Day, who is the current CEO, has also taken to Twitter to announce that the final preparations are underway at Haveron. The Bull and Bear Invest channel has sought permission from Paddy Gale 1 to use the imagery of which he is providing on Twitter to create a time-lapse video in order to progress further with our research with Greatland Gold. Paddy's research and satellite imagery on Twitter is also attracting the attention of Gervais Heddle, who has retweeted and added the statement that the broker targets a 30p plus for a reason. Further to this, the Canning license, an area of 114 km² containing the bulk of a large magnetic bullseye anomaly, has achieved the recommendation to be granted by the Department of Mines, Industry Regulation and Safety, pending native title clearances. A tenement cannot be granted in Australia unless it is satisfied to this future Act requirements of the Native Title Act, or where appropriate evidence is available that proves native title has been extinguished, such as granting of freehold tenure. The future Act can be a proposed activity or development on land and or waters that has the potential to affect native title, by extinguishing it or creating interests that are inconsistent with the existence or exercise of native title. With a lot of news expected from Greatland Gold, here is a short list of what we expect to be mentioned over the next coming months. As the new camp at Haveron is nearly completed, we await an update regarding the entire works of the Haveron project, along with an update of the pre-feasibility study, which is expected towards the late part of this year. Ongoing drilling exploration throughout 2021 is also underway, and drilling high priority targets in the Jury joint venture starts early April 2021. This is one of the key factors that we expect to be announced over the next few weeks. We also await official notification that the Canning license application has been approved. Moving on to Oreo Resources, as they report that they are a third of the way through their drilling program of 3,080 metres for 28 holes, with a total of 967.5 metres completed at 9 holes in the Bekasi Zone 1 prospect. The drill holes have intersected mineralisation with the visual confirmation in the form of silica tourmaline veining and or pervasive alteration to the sulfidation of the tonalite host rock. Oriole Resources also reports that Phase 2 exploration program at Asalata has been completed. This consisted of 687.8 diamond drilling in 3 holes and 2,508 metres reverse circulation drilling in 22 holes. Oriole Resources bombarded us with several RNSs in quick succession this week, so we've summarised the upcoming events that we expect. We know that all outstanding samples from both Hesdaba and Asaleta are pending custom clearance in Djibouti before being dispatched to SA with results expected in Q2 2021. This includes 2,159 rock, diamond core and reverse circulation chip samples from Hesdaba and 1,558 diamond core and reverse circulation chip samples for Asaleta. The first batch of samples for the Bekasi Zone 1 has been processed and sent to the Bureau Veritas for analysis. Results are anticipated before the end of the month. Meanwhile, a further 2 holes are currently being prepared for dispatch later this month. A 2-phase work programme comprising of 5,000 metres of RC drilling and 1,000 metres of diamond drilling in the northernmost Fare prospect is scheduled for completion before the end of Q2 2021. The second phase, comprising of 5,000 metres of RC drilling and 600 metres of diamond drilling and retesting the system at the southernmost Medina Bafe prospect, with the results expected in Q3 of 2021. With all the events ongoing, there is a virtual investor event taking place at 2 PM GMT or 10 AM EST on Monday the 29th of March 2021. This can be accessed from registering on the link on screen. And we close out with an update from Tertiary Minerals as they announce encouraging analytical results from its maiden drill hole at the Lucky Copper project in Nevada. The hole was drilled to a depth of 108.24 metres, which contained highly anomalous copper over 24.38 metres from 83.82 metres to the base of the hole. 2 magnetic Gossan zones were intersected and contained low-grade copper mineralisation. These included 4.57 metres of grading at 0.12% copper and 0.12 grams per tonne of gold at 15.24 metres downhole. Additionally, 3.05 metres grading at 0.4% copper from 33.53 metres downhole. Tertiary Minerals still has plenty to offer, with geological evaluation of drill samples ongoing and a follow-up magnetic survey planned at the Lucky project in Nevada. Follow-up trenching and mapping is planned to better expose the mineralisation at the North Roof and Western Line anomalies at the Pyramid Gold and Silver project. Infill soil sampling results are awaited for the Paymaster project, and further exploration is ongoing and a drone magnetic survey has been commissioned at the Brunton Pass project. Drone magnetic survey results are expected imminently for the Mount Tobin project, whilst field mapping and evaluation of anomalies are now planned for spring-summer this year. An appeal process is ongoing with the Subscribe to the Bull and Bear Invest channel today and stay informed with weekly watchlist reviews, in-depth research and understanding the stock market videos, with more content being uploaded each week.